condition in the line of the both 67 feet, version 67, the air condition in the line of 63, and air condition in the line of 50. This is the dryer, filter dryer, and this is the capillary pipe for metering device. Because here is the fan. Look at this, my friends. In this case, I have this one. What is the name of that unit? What is the name of that unit? A split. Because is divided. The condenser is located outside on the bilge, on the engine room. And the evaporator is located on the cabin. Some water around the inner pipe is plugged to most calcium. And I start the system. In other words, right now I replace the salt water for fresh water with bleach. That's clear? And the system is running, and outside over there you have fresh water with bleach removing calcium. Is located in front of the